guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and check out some of my other videos, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. I wanted to tell you a little bit about Starbucks. They have a program that they started in 1995, and it's called Grounds for Your Garden program. And so what they do is they do not throw out their coffee grounds, so they have used coffee grounds that they give for free to anybody. You just drive up or you walk in and you ask them for their used coffee grounds, and they give you a huge bag for free. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. If you already know about that, that's great. If you don't drink coffee, this is a great way for you to just go ahead and get grounds, because you can use these coffee grounds for a lot of different things. So you can use it for your garden and for your plants to help keep those pesky little bugs away. And you can also, for your garden, use it as compost. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you 2 recipes for your hair. And so, as you know, coffee grounds are rich in caffeine, and caffeine is good for your hair because this caffeine stimulates the hair growth by penetrating into hair roots and restoring growth. And it also stops abnormal hair loss. So stay tuned and let's get started. First off, we need to go ahead and make sure that the used coffee grounds are dry, because they can get moldy if they are too damp, even if you put them in the fridge. So I am going to go ahead and try to get rid of some of these lumps, and it'll make it easier when trying to make these recipes. I'm also planning to put this in the oven at about 180 degrees to help dry it out a bit, and then I will turn off the oven and let the grounds sit for a bit, probably for about 5 hours or so, until they're really dry, and then put them in another container so that I can use them anytime I need to. For this caffeine hair growth oil, you are going to need a 1/2 cup of olive oil and a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Make sure you melt the coconut oil before you add it to the olive oil. And then you will need 3/4 cup of coffee grounds. Now, olive oil is a natural moisturizer and an awesome remedy for dandruff. And coconut oil, when used on your scalp, it stimulates hair growth, getting deep into the follicles, and then it prevents split ends as well. Go ahead and make sure you get everything mixed in really well at this point, and just give it a good shake. And then we will add a few more oils. The first oil I'm going to add is hemp oil. And hemp oil helps reduce dandruff, and it stimulates hair growth. I add about 2 tablespoons of this. And then the next oil I add is wheat germ. And wheat germ fights dryness, it hydrates dry hair, and it has fatty acids that nourish the hair and moisturize it and condition it. So this is really an awesome oil. It also has vitamin B, which promotes new growth. The last oil I use is black seed oil, which is really potent for growing thicker hair, and I use about a tablespoon of this. And then give it a good shake. For this recipe, all you'll need is honey, olive oil, and the used coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons each of all these. Honey prevents damage, it is rich in antioxidants, and it keeps your scalp super healthy. And then another thing about olive oil, along with it being a natural moisturizer and a remedy for dandruff, it also boosts hair growth, and it also stimulates regrowth from dormant follicles. After about a week, I go ahead and strain the caffeine hair oil. I really look forward to using this oil on my scalp, as well as the exfoliating scalp mask. And that kind of sounded funny, huh? The scalp mask. Anyway, I will do another video where I am actually showing you how I apply the mask, and I look forward to doing that because you will be able to see the results in terms of what my hair looks like and how my scalp feels and how my hair feels after using such a hydrating mask.
Siento un bombo, mamita me está llamando. Siento un bombo, mamita me está llamando. Sí, sí, son los dandy. Sí, sí, son los dandy. Siento un bombo, mamita me está llamando. Siento un bombo, mamita me está llamando. Sí, sí, son los dandy. Sí, sí, son los dandy. Adiós mamá, adiós papá, que yo me voy, son los dandy. Adiós mamá, adiós papá, que yo me voy, son los dandy. Adiós mamá, adiós papá, que yo me voy, son los dandy. Adiós mamá.